As a child, I had a bad experience at a former dentist where they actually had removed my adult teeth as opposed to my baby teeth that were causing the problem. From the time I started coming here to Dr. Kaplansky, he's obviously kept track of those teeth and told me at some point in time they're going to go. And of course it happened. And I came here to see Dr. Kaplansky about it, and he gave me my options of what we were going to do. And he then decided to do the implants and highly urged me to go with that because it was the best route to fix my teeth. After having my procedure, the recovery was actually very good. Everything went very smooth. Within 2 days, I was eating like normal. I had nothing ever happened. The end result is changed the way I smile. I'm more confident when I smile, and I tend to smile more often now. The main reasons why we like coming here is it's very up to date. It's all very new technology. Everybody here, the staff is fantastic. They tell us ahead of time what's going to be done. They make us very comfortable. I was always nervous as a dentist, and now coming here, I haven't had any issues at all. I would definitely recommend people to go through the procedures that I went through, whether it be friends or family members, anybody. The overall experience in what it's done for my life has been fantastic. I'm very thankful for coming here and everything that Dr. Kaplansky has done for me. In years past, I've always been shied away from wanting to go to the dentist because of incidents that have happened, and now I find somebody who has done the right thing for me, and I'm grateful because it's improved my way of life.